In this video, we'll have a look at Cloud Control Center for SAP Business One, and especially on how to create a tenant. What you see here in the dashboard is that we have a service unit, we have a customer, but we don't have a tenant yet. So the first thing we need to do is create a tenant. For that, I go to Tenants, I say New, and here I get my wizard, where I can see how I can create my tenant. Now you can do it from scratch. You can use a package to create a tenant from, or you can use a database or a backup where you can use the information from. In this example, we go from scratch, so a new tenant, and here we go. Earthshaker is the customer. We have one service unit, so we select that one. And now you get, I think for everybody well known, the request. So a tenant name. I will call it CCC Demo US, and I will call the database name itself. You can give it a purpose that is, I think, handy in Cloud Control Center itself, where you can see what kind of tenants you have. So we make it a demo. Now you have authentication types, Windows or Business One managed, contact person. This is important. Local settings. We all know that, so I take US at this point. I also take what chart of accounts you can use. So let's take the simplified one and the base language. So everything is pretty straightforward. Everybody knows that, but where you do it and the way you do it is different. This is done not directly in Business One, but in the Cloud Control Center. If we enter this information, we go to next. This is the information we know as well. So let's do 2017 in month and the booking periods and the whole year. So here we create the posting periods, and if we would have it, we could assign user licenses. We do that in a later video, so we go to next. Here you see an overview, and now the system is processing the data and is creating the tenant. So what you see here is that I think most of you know that how to create a new customer in an on-premise environment. Here you see you do basically exactly the same. The only thing that is different is that it's done in Cloud Control Center instead of in SAP Business One itself. Now, as soon as the tenant is created, you can finish this, and if you look at the overview, now we have our tenant and we can move on. So in the next video, some more stuff.